Welcome to Speak English Naturally, the podcast where we help you sound more confident and clear in English. I am your host, and today we are talking about something very important for your fluency. Have you ever felt like you are sounding a little robotic when you speak English? Many English learners tell me this. They say, "I feel like I am speaking word by word," or "my voice sounds flat." If you feel this way, you are not alone. And the good news is, we can change it. When we say you are sounding like a robot, it usually means two things. First, you might be saying each word separately, with a pause after every single word, like this: I am going to the store. But native speakers do not talk like that. They connect words, and they have a rhythm. The second reason is often about your voice going up and down. This is called intonation. Sometimes, when we learn a new language, we keep our voice at the same level, like this: I am happy to meet you. It sounds a bit flat, does not it? But in natural English, our voice goes up and down. It changes to show meaning and emotion. I am happy to meet you. Do you hear the difference? So, how can you stop sounding like a robot? Here are 3 simple tips for you. First, focus on word stress and rhythm. In English, some words in a sentence are more important. We say these words a little louder and longer. Try to find the important words in a sentence and give them a bit more energy. For example, instead of saying, I want to eat an apple, try, I want to eat an apple. Do you hear how the multiple words are emphasized? This creates a natural rhythm. Second, pay attention to intonation. Try to make your voice go up and down. Think about questions. Usually our voice goes up at the end of a yes or no question. Like, are you ready? Your voice rises. For statements, your voice often falls. I am ready. Practice listening to native speakers and try to copy their voice patterns. Third, try to connect your words. English speakers often link the end of one word to the beginning of the next, especially if one word ends with a consonant sound and the next begins with a vowel sound. For example, instead of I am a student, we often say, I am a student. The words flow together. This is a bit more advanced, but even trying to reduce the pauses between your words will help a lot. So to recap, try to focus on rhythm and word stress, use intonation, and try to connect your words. Now, I have some questions for you, our listeners. Do you sometimes feel like you are sounding like a robot when you speak English? Which of these tips will you try first to sound more natural? What other challenges do you face when you are trying to speak English naturally? Please let us know your answers in the comments. We love to hear from you. That is all for today's episode of Speak English Naturally. If you found this episode helpful, please give us a like, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss our next lesson. Thank you for listening, and keep practicing your natural English.